Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a character from Roblox Doors. I'm going to show you how to draw El Goblino. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to do the nose. So the nose is kind of like a very pointy nose, kind of like a big V. And then I'm going to do the shape of the head. You see how the nose is not like here, it's a lot lower. So I'm going to come along this way as well and curve on up. And then we can do an ear over here. It's got pointy ears. And I'm going to do one on this side too, but first I'm going to do a little like a C shape. And then I'm going to do another little bit added to it. And then right here, I'm leaving that part without, I'm leaving that part open. So now I'm going to add a line right here and come on up and finish off that ear. And now we can see that that little C shape we were doing is like an earring. All right, so the next thing we can do is the great big eyes. He's got great big, huge circle eyes. Okay, now over on this side of the face, I'm gonna do like a little smile, but I'm gonna give two little triangle shaped teeth. And we can do another little bit of a smile right here too. All right, so we've got the face all finished. And now we can come on down with a line and another line. And we can do a little shoulder and bringing this arm down. And same on this side. And right here, we can do a line going across. And this is going to be the start of his shorts. He's wearing like a little pair of shorts. So I'm just going to go up like a little upside down V shape here. And he's also wearing like little cuffs on his wrists, almost like little bracelets. So let's come on down with a little cuff here, but we're going to add little circles here. And same to the other side. He's wearing a cuff on both wrists. So next we can do little hands. I'm just gonna give them like little fists and like a little pointy thumb. Same on the other side. And now we can do legs. And another one. And feet. So I'm gonna give them like three little pointy toes. Almost like a little like frog foot. All right, so we are finished our drawing and now I'm gonna start coloring. All right, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for our next drawing. All right, everyone, goodbye.